Hello and welcome to the third segment of this Rick and Morty 3-part special of drawing tutorials with Kieran. So today I'll be drawing Pickle Rick. Now if you've missed either episode 1 or episode 2 where I have drawn Rick and Morty, there are links in the comment below. So I'm going to just start. So the first step that we need to take here is to start to draw his body. So you want to draw a curve up, round, and back down again, so that you have this. Once you have a shape like this, then you want to start to draw his face features. Now, we're going to draw his eyes first. So you want to draw one round eye with a dot in the middle, and another with a dot in the middle, like this. And you want to draw his nose, which is just and his eyes, like this. Then his eyebrow, which goes across the top of his head. Then his mouth, you need to do curve up, round, and connect it up like that. Now you want to draw some teeth, a tongue, some more teeth, like this. Then you want to draw some bags under his eyes. So that you have this. Now, once you have this, then all over his body you want to draw different size circles. this. Now, once you have this, then you want to draw some shadow lines. Like that. Now, once you have something that looks like this, then it's on to the colouring part. So, colours you want for this are 2 different coloured greens, a pink colour, a red colour, and a blue. Now, with the 2 different shades of green, we want to colour in his body, go over in one green first, colour all of it except for the mouth, eyes, and the eyebrow. Now, once you've done your first coat of green, then get your other green and go over it with this one to give it more protection. Now, once you've done that, just get your finger and smudge it in so it blends. So it should look like this. Now, with a dark kind of blue colour, you want to colour his eyebrow in. Then, with your pink colour, you to colour his mouth in, but not the tongue. Like this. Now, the last thing to do is to colour his tongue in with the red colour. There. You have learnt how to draw Pickle Rick. Hope you have enjoyed the 3-part Rick and Morty special, and I hope to see you again. And reminder that new episodes are on every Wednesday at 3:30 p.m. on my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe. Goodbye for now.